Hey, welcome back. Now that we have seen TIBCO BusinessWorks Container Edition concepts and terminology, let's get some hands-on TIBCO Business Studio for BusinessWorks, which is used for application development. Once you launch this product, you will get to see this welcome screen where you will have few samples which comes right out of the box with this product, and also a quick start guide which will help you to learn TIBCO Business Studio for BusinessWorks quickly. I have launched a Cloud Pet Store service sample, which is a REST API, and it has two business processes. One is activator process, which will have two operations like I have covered in my earlier videos. It has on startup and on shutdown procedures. On shutdown procedure doesn't have any implementation here. It just logs a sample message saying stopping this application. However, it has on startup a procedure which logs a message and also has a set shared variable which will set pets information using pets root element, which has a repeating element called pet, under which we have few fields which contain information about the pets, like category, ID, name, what what kind of pet it is, domesticated pet, and the name of the pet itself, and ID given to that particular pet, and a photo URL, which is a sample photo for that particular pet, and the status if it is available or not, and tags information which uh, which tells us what kind of pets those are, like dogs. The next one is cats, and likewise bird, fish, and rabbit, etc. And we have the actual process which has four rest operations: post, get, put, and delete. Post will add any additional pets of your choice. Get will get any information about particular pet. Put will modify any existing pet information, and delete will delete any pet you would like to delete. Okay, let's get started. We'll try to run this application. I'm going to click on debug configurations, which will give me debug perspective. So this window, it will show what applications are present in this particular application module, and you can select which processes to start. I will start both of them, the activator and the pet. Click on debug, and it will take me to the debug perspective. Debug perspective will have the console, and on the right hand side you will see the job data. So it is trying to start the application, and we can see the logs here. Let's give it some time to start the application. Okay, it says started BW application and the application name itself. So which means it has started the application. And if you see on the left hand side here, the activator process already started and completed its on startup operation. and we can see the data what we have seen in the shared variable. So here in the shared variable, it has loaded all the pet information that is currently existing. We have 5 pet information. So now, in order to get the application URL, we can type a command called lrest doc, and it will give the application URL. I'll take this application URL and open in a browser. So this will give me the Swagger UI, which will have the operations which are configured in that application. So we have get, and for get we need to give the pet ID. Let me try it out, and I will give the pet ID as 3. We have 5 of them, and execute. And we got a 200, which is a success message, and the third pet is bird. And let's see another operation like post. We'll try to post a new pet. So let me try it out, and I will give pet ID as 6, and I will give the category of the pet. I'll give the ID as 6, and maybe I will categorize this as wild, and fill the rest of the details. Maybe I will give tiger. Tiger is not pet, but just for an example sake, I will use that. And the photo URL, I'll just use some random URL, and the status available, and the name of this tag is tigers, and the ID is 666 again. Let me try to execute this one. So it has added this new pet information. Let's see if this is successfully added or not. We can just try to execute get for pet ID 6, and let's execute it. And yes, we got that. So get is to fetch any pet information. Post is to add any new pets information in this application. And let's try to execute put, which we can try to modify any existing pet information. Like I will just use the same which I just added, and I'll copy these inputs from here. Now it says this particular pet is available when I do a get. I'll try to modify it to not available and see if it is updating successfully. So wild pet's ID is 6. ID is 6. Name of the pet is tiger, and photo URL is tiger.jpg, and here I'll update it as not available, and the name is tigers, and the ID is 6. Let me execute this, and we got an update, successful update 200, and it is updated as not available. So now go back to the top and execute this get again for pet ID 6, and oh sorry, I was posting, I'm sorry. Okay, so I need to execute uh, put again just to make it not available. So I have to go to the top. Okay, here it is, and let me execute, and yeah, it is not available. uh, Let me update it to, yeah, let me update it to actor. Just to run another example, I have executed it and it updated it to back order. So now go back to the top and try to get it again, and it it changed to back order. Okay, now let's see the last operation, which is delete, and let me try it out. And what I'll do, I'll just delete the pet ID 6 and I'll execute it, and it says the animal has been removed from the pet store. So just for the sake of our confirmation, I'll just execute the get again just to see any output. Okay, it says internal server error, which means it doesn't have that pet. Maybe I'll try with another example, and it's fish. Yeah. So if you see here, we have executed multiple operations. The first one is the get, and the next one is post, and we have tried get again, and we have tried put, and we have tried post by mistake. That was my mistake, my bad. And at the end we have tried put again, I believe. Yeah. And then we tried get, then we tried put operation, and the last one is get. Then we tried delete. Yeah, delete. And then we tried the get again for deleted one, and we tried get for the fish example. So if you see here, there is an error which says cannot initialize a message part with a null value part of item. This error occurred when we gave 6 pet ID when after we deleted it. So that's why this error is thrown. Okay, so I'll stop it here. We will explore this product more as we go through this course, and stay tuned for more videos like this. And for more references, you can visit docs.tibco.com.